There's antimony, arsenic, aluminum, selenium.
And hydrogen and oxygen and nitrogen and rhenium.
And neodymium, neptunium, germanium.
And iron, americium, ruthenium, uranium.
Europium, zirconium, latinium, vanadium.
And lanthanum and osmium and astatine and radium.
And gold and protactinium and indium and gallium.
And iodine and thorium and thulium and thallium.
There's yttrium, ytterbium, actinium, rubidium.
And boron, gadolinium, niobium, iridium.
And strontium and silicon and silver and samarium.
And bismuth, bromine, lithium, beryllium, and barium.
There's helium and helium and hafnium and erbium.
And phosphorus and francium and fluorine and terbium.
And manganese and mercury, molybdenum, magnesium.
Dysprosium and scandium and cerium and cesium.
And lead, praseodomium and platinum, plutonium.
Palladium, promethium, potassium, polonium.
And tantalum, technetium, titanium, tellurium.
And cadmium and calcium and chromium and curium.
There's sulfur, californium, and fermium, berkelium.
And also mendelevium, einsteinium, nobelium.
And argon, krypton, neon, radon, xenon, zinc, and rhodium.
And chlorine, carbon, cobalt, copper, tungsten, tin, and sodium.